Hello, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is taking care of themselves. Are you all upset and not able to study because of coronavirus? Hey, don't worry. SSLC Connect is here for you. Let me help you and understand how do you install it and how do you use the app. Okay, so firstly, you all have Google Play Store on your phone. Go to Google Play Store. On the search bar, type SSLC Connect SSLC Connect. Click on the download button for the app, which has a greater than sign as its logo. Once it's downloaded, click on next, and after that, just log in. Isn't it simple? How do you log in? Put in your 10-digit mobile number. Yes, students, just like how I am doing it. Click on continue, then enter your beautiful name. If your name is Amita Prabhu, you can enter AMITHA, or if your name is Kashish, yes, KASHISH. Then add your email ID. For example, amitha@gmail.com. But make sure all the letters are correct. Then add your PIN code. If you stay in Kumara Park, Bangalore, it will be 560020 for you. Create a password and always make a number plus alphabet password. Children, this is for any time you create a password. Always create a numeric and alphabetic combination. Then click on continue. After that, you'll get a 4-digit OTP number, which is a one-time password. Put it and click on continue. When you see the app, the first page has watch and learn. Simple. Click on your favorite subject. Let's go to English Language 1. Click on prose. The first chapter is A Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise. Once you click on the video, which is part 1, you see all the videos. Once you finish watching the videos, the next part is revision questions. Let us answer them. They are all whatever I just taught you in the video. Now, you all must be thinking where to get the textbooks and the backside question answers. No problem. Let's go to the next segment, which is read and revise. You don't have your textbooks? No problem. Here you have all the textbooks available. Now you want to study the chapter through pictures and in one page. We have mind maps where you will get all the science chapters in a pictorial format. Isn't that wonderful? And it will make everything very, very easy for you. Next, you must be wondering how to find previous year questions. And SSLC Connect has that too. And children, we have answers to that as well. Now you all in school had notes, isn't it? And backside question answers. We have made that simple too. As you all can find the notes, summaries and backside answers here too. Students, now for exams, you all must do more and more and more practice for all the question answers. So where is that in the app? Let's go to practice and perfect segment. There you will find for each and every chapter multiple choice questions, which is also called MCQ, and descriptive questions as well. Children, let's see how to do for one. Come on, do it with me. Click on the rocket icon. Hey, don't go anywhere. Yes, after clicking the icon, you see down, click on English. First language practice. Here, the first chapter is A Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise. You all can see objective questions, which are MCQs, and subjective questions, which are descriptive questions. Alright, children, now you all have practiced a lot of questions and understood the concepts. Let us take a test now. On the app, click on the last icon of test. Let's go to English 1. Here, go to A Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise. Go ahead, start answering. Once you finish the test, click on Submit. Here, you get a complete report card of how many answers you got right, how many you got wrong, and the time taken by you. And now, if you want to see where you went wrong, click on View Answers or Solutions. Now, next, if you all have doubts, what do? No problem. We have a section called Live Videos. Here, different teachers will come for doubt sessions, masterclasses, and to give you various tips and tricks. Alright, children, that's it for today. Now, you all should study by using the app, and we will keep meeting when you're done. Alright? And before the bye-bye, children, you all have got so many stars while answering the questions in all the segments. Don't you know? Hey, but where to check them? It's the next segment. Track your progress. Here, you can see how many stars you have got and what did you study last and how much of the course have you completed. Anything else that SSLC Connect can do for you? Please let us know. We are with you always and forever. Bye-bye.